In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a border from a shape in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for a school project or a professional business meeting, having clean and polished slides without unnecessary borders can make all the difference. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account to access your existing presentations or create a new one. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you can either start fresh with a blank presentation or choose from one of Google's ready-made templates. For this tutorial, we'll use a blank presentation so it's easier to follow along. After your presentation is open, select the slide where you want to make your change. Next, click on the shape whose border you'd like to remove. You can draw a new shape or select one that's already on your slide. Once the shape is selected, you'll notice a new set of formatting tools appear in the toolbar. This means your shape is now ready to be edited. Now, look toward the top of your screen and locate the border color icon. It looks like a little pencil or outline symbol. Click on it and a color palette will appear. Among the color options, you'll notice one labeled transparent. Go ahead and select it. This instantly removes the border from your shape, making it completely invisible. You'll immediately see the difference. The shape remains, but the outline around it disappears, giving your slide a cleaner and more modern look. If you ever change your mind, you can easily bring the border back. Just return to the border color tool and pick any color you like. You can also adjust the border thickness or style if you want a subtle outline instead of removing it completely. And that's it. You've successfully removed a border from a shape in Google Slides. This simple adjustment can make your presentation look much more professional and visually balanced. Remember, small design tweaks like this can have a big impact on how your audience perceives your slides. Take a few moments to fine-tune the little details. It really pays off in the end. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy Google Slides tips to take your presentations to the next level. Happy presenting!